Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Maryjane, a Nigerian living in the UK, and today I'm showing you how I make my own moi moi using just bean flour. It's quick, delicious, and perfect. That Nigerian vibe. Let's get started, guys. So for this recipe, we'll need our bean flour. I'm using the one from Ayola, Tatashe, onions, banero pepper or Scotch bonnet, whichever one. I used crayfish. I love crayfish, plenty of it. I used sardine, though my husband doesn't like it, so I kept some part of it without sardine. Not cubes for seasoning or any of your favorite seasoning. I use vegetable oil, salt, and then eggs for topping. Hard boiled egg. For a start, I mix my flour with cold water and set it aside for 20 minutes. While we're waiting for that, we go ahead to prep our moi moi plates. I use oil, apply oil on them to avoid it sticking to your moi moi. Let the plates come out clean when you remove your moi moi. You don't want it to be sticking on them. So yeah, you can use anything. You can use foil. You can use. Some people use white, those white nylon. But yeah, for health sake, I prefer to use this moi moi plates. You can use moi moi pouch. You can use foil. Or you can use nylon. Anything that will actually hold your moi moi can actually go. Now you blend in the mixture with tatashe, pepper, onions, and crayfish. Then pour the mixture into a big bowl and it's time to season it. Using hot water, melt in your Knorr cubes. If you are using cubes, if you're not, you can go in with your powder seasoning. But I'm using Knorr cubes, so I melt that with hot water, and then I added my granite oil or vegetable oil and my salt. Mix, taste, and adjust before you start cooking. Mix, taste, and adjust. You want it to be as flavorful as possible. Okay? Please don't go adding other things that will make the food taste like what I don't know. This is just natural. For me, if moi moi pass this one, I no sure say I go chop am o. Make my belle no wrong me. This is just it. Very simple. Okay? So that when you ask me what is inside, I'll tell you it's just nut cubes and salt. Okay? See, it's still looking so pretty. So I did some part of it without the sardine because my husband doesn't like sardine. I think I've said that before. But it's crazy how human being doesn't like sardine. Please, if you are the type that don't like sardine, leave me a comment in the comment section and tell me your reason because I don't understand. How can you not like fish? How can you not like sardine? Huh? In this life? Eh? just like meat and chicken and all that. But anything fish, you run away. Why? Did fish kill your mama? Let me know. So in my own, I added my sardine. Oh. Yes, I added my sardine in mine, and it gave that, extra flavor, like extra flavor, extra. Sardine is just a game changer, and if you've not tried it in your moi moi, I think you should just give it a trial. Like this will elevate your food, like the flavor. Oh my god, you're just going to love it. Please, if you watched it to this moment, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment. Are you team sardine or not? Tell me in the comment section, and we'll sort that out. Okay, let's go there and do the battle. Whoever wins, whether team sardine or team no sardine, but please, you should give sardine a trial. It's not hard. It's not a hard one. It's I don't know. I don't know how to explain it, but sardine is just food changer, not game changer. Well, funny enough, he ended up eating the one with sardine as well, and he liked it. And I was like, "Oh, you didn't know there is sardine in it?" "Yeah." He was like, "No, if he knew, he wouldn't eat it." I said, "See you. Did he kill you? Did he kill you now?" I don't know why. I don't know why people just say, "Oh, I can't eat this thing." Have you tried it, or you just don't like it because of the smell, or because of how it looks? Like, give it a trial. So yeah, we did our toppings with egg. I mean, even if you don't see anything, see egg, don't see the fish or the sardine in it, just see the egg, and that is it, guys. Cooking method, I used steam method, which is putting water and then small water in the pot and adding your moi moi to it. Sometimes you can use a rack to elevate the plate, but I didn't have a rack at the moment, so I added it. And also, I did the baking method, which I used oven. I added water into a pan. Bake this at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes or to 1 hour max. It's done, like very much done. To know if your moi moi is done, you can just stick in a fork or a toothpick, whatever you have, into it and see if it comes out clean. If it comes out clean, then it's very much done. Okay. Look at this. Soft, tasty, and rich moi moi with Nigerian vibe, made in the UK. That's so nice. Like, it tasted like home. So whether you're team sardine or team plain, there's something for everyone. Like, there's something for everyone. If you enjoyed this video to this moment, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos, and leave me a comment in the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye.